how to use Microsoft 365 application. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Microsoft 365 application. Microsoft 365 is a subscription-based service that provides users with access to a range of applications and services including Office applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook, as well as cloud storage, collaboration tools, and security features. Also, some Android devices have this application by default. If in case you don't have this application on your device, you can open the Play Store of your device and tap on the search icon at the bottom right. Then in the search bar, look for Microsoft 365. Search for it, and once you get it, you will need to tap on it to open it, and inside here you'll be able to see the install button. Here I have already installed the application. Once you have installed the application, tap on the Open button to open your application. You will need to sign in using your Microsoft account here. After that, you will be able to get started. You can select the applications like Word for documents, Excel for spreadsheets, and choose to create a new document using templates or blank pages. Here tap on this capture icon at the bottom, and then from here you'll be able to scan, record, and dictate the document. Also, you can tap on this Copilot to take help from the Copilot bot. If you want to create your documents, you can tap on this Create button right here next to Copilot. And from here, you'll be able to choose the document type and create the document. You can use OneDrive to save and share files. This allows for easy access from any device. Also, you can directly upload files from your computer, or you can also directly upload files from your device and create new documents within OneDrive. You will also get the share button to share the documents within the application. Here tap on the app icon at the bottom right, and from here you'll be able to install various applications available. So by following these steps, you can effectively use Microsoft 365 application to enhance your productivity and collaboration skills. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.